Hey guys, it's Josh. Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be working on installing some door guards on a vehicle to protect the door from hitting other vehicles. It's a real easy installation, but some people don't really know how to do it, so I'm going to show you how. Let's get started. Here's an example of the damage that happens when a car door hits another car. These door guards are made to protect from that. You can see here how when the door opens, it makes contact, damaging the paint. The first thing we want to do is clean the edge of the door. I use Windex and a paper towel. These are the door guards I purchased at my local Toyota dealer. There's a link in the description for one you can get from Amazon. You can see how it's just a U-shaped piece of rubber that clamps onto the edge of the door. I started from the top down, using my fingers to press the door guard onto the edge of the door. Once I got it started, I used a non-marring rubber mallet to tap the door guard onto the door. At the bottom of the door, I trimmed off the excess. Once the piece was trimmed, I started the finish of the installation at the bottom of the door. Here's a close-up view of where I started the installation at the top of the door. Here's what it looks like when the door closes. And here's what it looks like from a side profile view. It should be installed in a way that the guard is not hitting the second door. Use the same procedure to do the passenger doors. Well, that project wasn't too hard now, was it? If you like what you saw today, hit like, hit subscribe, and share it with your friends. Check out these other videos in the playlist to learn more about how to work on your vehicle. And don't forget to stay for the bloopers. We'll see you next time. And check out these videos in the playlist. Today we're going to work...